Good evening, friends. I'm Deepesh Agrawal, your math coach. So, our topic for class is arithmetic progression today. Okay. So, what we are going to learn today? Arithmetic progression, which is AP in short. Okay. AP. Okay. So, what is arithmetic progression? What is AP? Actually, AP is a part of the chapter sequence and series from class 11th. So we study some basic part of arithmetic progression in class 10th also. So what is sequence? What is sequence? Sequence is very easy. We use this in our day-to-day language. Okay, we can say the set of arranged number, set of anything which is arranged in ascending or descending order. Okay, if I'll take some set of number like 1, 5, say 15, then 50. So these numbers are arranged. That's why I can say this is a sequence. Okay, but we cannot comment about the next number of this sequence. So that's why this is not a progression, but it is a sequence. In sequence, there is no pattern. We cannot comment the next number of the sequence. But in progression, there is a pattern. There is an arrangement also, and there is a pattern also. So using that pattern, you can comment or you can easily analyze the next term. Like if I'll take some set of numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, you can easily recognize this pattern. This is a set of natural number, so you can say the next number will be 6. So there is a pattern. We are adding 1. Okay, after 6 there will be 7. So what we are doing, we are adding 1. So there is a fixed pattern and progression also. There is a progress, 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. There is a progress with a fixed pattern. That's why this is a progression. So there is a 3 types of progression. One is arithmetic progression, the second one is geometric progression, and the third one is harmonic progression. Okay, so today we'll see the arithmetic progression. So arithmetic progression is there when the difference between consecutive terms of the progression is fixed difference. So if we are adding a constant term in each term, so there will be arithmetic progression. So if we'll see the difference of two consecutive terms, if we'll see there 2 minus 1 will be 1, then difference between 2 and 3 is also 1, then difference between 3 and 4 is also 1. So this set of natural number is known as arithmetic progression. So natural number is an example of arithmetic progression. Okay, similarly we can take another example. Any table, we can take any table, if I'll take 2, 4, 6, that is table of 2, or we can say the set of even numbers. So if we are adding 2 into, we'll get 4, then we'll adding 2, we'll get 6, then we'll adding 2, we'll get 8. So obviously the next number will be 10. Okay, so this is also an arithmetic progression because the difference. So what is the key? What is the key for the arithmetic progression? So the key word for the arithmetic progression is the difference of the consecutive terms. Any two consecutive terms is a constant number. Okay, here the difference is 2, and if we'll take the difference of these two consecutive numbers, this is also 2. So this fixed difference, this fixed constant difference is known as the common difference of the arithmetic progression. Common difference, which is denoted by small d. Okay, so here the common difference is 2, and this first number of this progression is known as first term. Okay, first term is denoted by small a. Okay, here small a is also 2. Okay, so now after this we'll see the general form of an arithmetic progression, which is very easy. We can form by itself. So by making a general form of arithmetic progression, we'll take a term, first term, say a, and we'll keep adding a fixed term. If that fixed term is d, then the next term must be a plus d. So the third term must be a plus 2d. The fourth term must be a plus 3d, and so on. So this is known as the general AP, where A is first term and D is a common difference. So this is known as T1, that is term 1. This is known as T2, that is term 2. This is known as T3, that is term 3. And this is known as, sorry, T1, T2, T3, and T4. Okay. And so on. So if I'll ask what will be the T10, because here T3 is A plus 2D, because there is no D in first term. So the 10th term will be what? Using this pattern, we can write A plus 9D. So here comes a formula, that is nth term of an AP. Okay, or you can say the last term. Any term from AP you can write by this formula. So what must be, if I'm writing 10th term, A plus 10 minus 1, that is A plus 9D. For 20th term, I will write A plus 90D. So for nth term, I will write A plus n minus 1 multiply D. Okay, so this formula is very important for calculating the nth term. Okay, good. Let's make a note. Okay, so we'll take an example. Okay, we'll take an example. Okay. Which term of an AP 5, 9, 13 is 81? Okay. So we have to find that which term of these arithmetic progression is 81. So by using this formula, we can calculate this question. Okay. Using the nth term formula of the arithmetic progression. So here we have to find that which term, the value of n, which term, that means what? The value of n we have to find in this question. The nth term, the last term is given 81, and here the first term A is what? 5. The first term of the progression is A, and obviously we have to find D, which is what? The difference of two terms, that is 9 minus 5. We can see the 9 minus 5 is also 4, 13 minus 9 is also 4. So D is 4 here, and we'll take Tn as 81, and we have to find the value of n. Okay, so now we'll use this formula, nth term formula. We keep 81 in place of Tn, we plug 5 in place of A, and we plug 4 in place of D. Now we'll take 5 on the other side, so it will become like, you can write n minus 1 multiply 4 equal to 81 minus 5, that is 76. Okay, so I hope you can understand. The calculation is very easy. So we can take 4 on this side, so it will become n minus 1 divided by, sorry, n minus 1 is equal to 76 divided by 4, that will be equal to 19. So the equation will become n minus 1 is equal to 19. So the value of n is 19 plus 1, 20, which is the number of terms, which is, so the 81 is which term? 20th term. So the answer is 81 is 20th term of given AP. Okay, I hope this is clear with you, and make a note. Thank you, student. Thank you very much.